Ever dreamed of witnessing the jaw-dropping pyramids of Giza? Or the Great Wall of China? Well, fasten your seatbelts because today, we're embarking on the ultimate journey to explore not 1, not 5, but 30. Yes, you heard it, 30 mind-blowing wonders of the world. Let's get started. Number 30, the Great Wall of China. Stretching over 13,000 miles, this wonder is not just a wall but a symbol of determination and willpower. Can you believe it took almost 2,000 years to complete? From its earliest origins during the Warring States period to its transformation by various dynasties, the Great Wall holds stories of ambition, triumph, and innovation. Number 29, Taj Mahal, India. Next, we fly to the land of vibrant colors and rich heritage, India, where the Taj Mahal awaits. But this isn't just any monument, it's a love story etched in marble. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved Queen Mumtaz Mahal, the Taj Mahal is a testament to eternal love. Come, explore the intricate carvings, the shimmering pool, the legend that brought it to life, and feel the romance in every stone. Number 28, Eiffel Tower, Paris. Oh la la! Welcome to Paris, the city of love. And right at its heart stands the magnificent Eiffel Tower. Built for the 1889 World's Fair, it's a marvel of engineering and art. Did you know that it was initially criticized and called useless and monstrous? Now, it's a symbol of French pride and elegance. Join me at the top for a breathtaking view of Paris and discover why it's called the Iron Lady. Experience the allure of the Seine River, indulge in a classic French croissant, and dance with me under the twinkling lights of this iconic wonder. Number 27, Christ the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro. Next, we're soaring over Rio de Janeiro, where Christ the Redeemer extends his arms over the city. Standing 98 feet tall atop the Corcovado mountain, this iconic statue is more than a religious symbol, it's a beacon of hope and unity. Let's explore its meaning, take in the panoramic views, and feel the rhythm of Brazil's soul. Dive into Rio's vibrant culture, feel the samba beat, and embrace the spirituality that this awe-inspiring sculpture radiates. Number 26, Sydney Opera House, Australia. G'day mates! Welcome to Australia's architectural marvel, the Sydney Opera House. With its sail-like design by Bjorn Utzon, it's not just a venue for the arts but a work of art itself. Uncover the drama behind its construction, the creativity that makes it a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the innovation that sets it apart. Join me as we go behind the scenes to see world-class performances, explore the stunning Harbour Bridge view, and dive into the cultural heart of Sydney. Number 25, Statue of Liberty, New York City. We're now in the Big Apple, where Lady Liberty stands tall. A symbol of freedom and democracy, the Statue of Liberty has welcomed millions to America's shores. Let's explore its history, and see what makes it a beacon for so many. Did you know this towering figure was a gift from France? Or that its tablet reads the date of America's independence in Roman numerals? Number 24, Machu Picchu, Peru. High in the Andes, Machu Picchu awaits. This ancient Incan city, hidden for centuries, is a mystery waiting to be unraveled. Built in the 15th century by the Inca Emperor Pachacuti, it was rediscovered by Hiram Bingham in 1911. Trek with me through the clouds, over winding paths, through the Sun Gate, and discover its secrets. Number 23, Great Sphinx, Egypt. Back to Egypt, and here's the Great Sphinx, a riddle carved in stone. With the body of a lion and the face of a king, it guards the pyramid's secrets. This mythical creature, dating back to the reign of Pharaoh Khafra, invites us to walk through the sands of time. Number 22, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Get ready to reach new heights in Dubai with the towering Burj Khalifa. Standing at an astonishing 2,722 feet, it's not only the tallest building in the world but a testament to human ambition and innovation. Built in just 5 years, this marvel defies gravity and imagination. Join me at the top for a view that will take your breath away, explore the luxury inside, enjoy the stunning fountain show, and witness the incredible story of how the desert transformed into a global metropolis. Number 21, Petra, Jordan. Journey into the heart of Jordan's desert, where the ancient city of Petra is carved into the rose-red rock. Once a thriving trade center, this archaeological wonder dates back to as early as 300 BC. A blend of culture, art, and history, Petra hides many secrets. Explore the hidden chambers, pass through the sick to reveal the treasury, hike to the monastery, and witness the stunning vistas with me. Feel the weight of history, unravel the Nabatean legacy, and bask in the desert's mystique. Number 20, Mount Rushmore, South Dakota, USA. In the Black Hills of South Dakota, Mount Rushmore's presidential faces gaze into the horizon. Carved by Gutzon Borglum and his workers, it's a tribute to leadership and vision, featuring Presidents Washington, Jefferson, Roosevelt, and Lincoln. Number 19, Neuschwanstein Castle, Germany. Fairy tales come to life in Germany's Neuschwanstein Castle. Nestled in the Bavarian Alps, this 19th-century romantic palace was the dream of King Ludwig II. A king's dream, a tourist's delight, and the inspiration for Disney's Cinderella Castle. We'll explore the halls filled with art, music, mythology, and history. Wander through the Singers' Hall, marvel at the throne room, and breathe the fresh alpine air. Number 18, Hagia Sophia, Istanbul, Turkey. In Istanbul, where east meets west, stands Hagia Sophia, a marvel of Byzantine architecture. Church, mosque, and now museum, its massive dome and rich history tell a story of faith, power, art, and cultural synthesis. Built in 537 AD by Emperor Justinian, Hagia Sophia has witnessed empires rise and fall. Number 17, Easter Island, Chile. On remote Easter Island, the Moai statues stand in silent testimony to a lost civilization. Who built them? Why? Constructed by the Rapa Nui people between the 13th and 16th centuries, these enigmatic stone figures still puzzle researchers. Number 16, Chichen Itza, Mexico. Viva Mexico! We're exploring Chichen Itza, a Mayan marvel that stands as a testament to astronomical genius. Within this sacred site lies the Kukulkan Pyramid, where serpents' shadows appear during the equinox, and a handclap echoes like a bird's call. If you're enjoying this journey so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Let's move on. Number 15, the Colosseum, Rome, Italy. To Rome, where the Colosseum's battles once roared to life. Gladiators, emperors, and history collide in this amphitheater of legends. Built in 80 AD under Emperor Titus, the Colosseum hosted fierce gladiatorial combat, wild animal hunts, and naval battles. Are you ready to face the arena? Number 14, the Louvre, Paris, France. Bienvenue to the Louvre in Paris, home to art, history, and the famous glass pyramid. An icon of modern architecture amidst historical treasures, it's where Mona Lisa's smile and the Venus de Milo reside. Explore masterpieces, hidden gems, wander through corridors filled with art from Mesopotamia to modern times, and dive into culture, creativity, and human expression. Number 13, Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco, USA. Over to San Francisco, where the Golden Gate Bridge spans the bay. An engineering marvel, opened in 1937. It's more than a bridge. It's a symbol of innovation and beauty. Number 12, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. Italy. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, where gravity plays a game. Construction began in the 12th century, and it wasn't long before the tower began to tilt. From soil studies to restoration efforts, this leaning adventure is filled with surprises. Number 11, Palace of Versailles, France. Bienvenue to the Palace of Versailles in France. A royal residence turned museum, its hall of mirrors, lush gardens, and Grand Trianon tell tales of opulence, power, and royal intrigues. Walk the golden halls with me. Explore the splendor of French royalty, the fountains, the hidden chambers, the extravagance that sparked a revolution. Number 10, Stonehenge, England. To the mystic Stonehenge in England, where ancient stones stand in enigmatic harmony. Built over 5,000 years ago, this prehistoric monument has perplexed researchers for centuries. Explore its alignment with celestial events, the landscape that has been a sacred site for millennia, and feel the mystical energy that resonates through time. Number 9, CN Tower, Toronto, Canada. We're soaring high in Toronto at the CN Tower. Once the tallest freestanding structure when completed in 1976, this Canadian icon offers views like no other. Journey to the top with me, step onto the glass floor, or if you dare, venture, edge walk, around the circumference. Let's see Toronto from the sky, understand its construction marvel, and dine at the revolving restaurant for a panorama that continuously changes. Number 8. Panama Canal, Panama. To Central America's marvel, the Panama Canal. A human-made wonder completed in 1914 that changed global trade forever. Cruise with me through its locks, discover the engineering genius that connects two oceans, the Atlantic and Pacific. Number 7. Akshardham Temple, India. Namaste from India's Akshardham Temple, a spiritual masterpiece in Delhi. With its intricate carvings, stunning architecture, and serene environment, it's a celebration of art and devotion. Explore the Yagna Purush Kund, the world's largest stepwell, the central monument made without steel, and the thematic gardens. Number 6. Hollywood Sign, Los Angeles, USA. Lights, camera, action. We're in Hollywood, where dreams take flight. The Hollywood sign, erected in 1923, is not just letters on a hill, it's a symbol of aspiration. Hike with me to the top, uncover its surprising history, from promoting real estate to becoming a cultural icon. Explore the film industry's home, the studios, the Walk of Fame, and let's take a closer look at this American dream. Number 5. Guggenheim Museum, New York, USA. Welcome to New York's Guggenheim Museum, a fusion of art and architecture. Frank Lloyd Wright's masterpiece, completed in 1959, its unique spiral design is a wonder itself. Number 4. Rialto Bridge, Venice, Italy. To Venice, where the Rialto Bridge arches over the city's romantic canals. Completed in 1591, this marvel of Renaissance engineering has been a bustling center of trade and life in Venice. Stroll with me through Venice's heart, uncover its construction, its unique shops, the life that pulsates around it, and its role in the Venetian landscape. Cruise under it on a gondola. Learn about the city's unique relationship with water, and let's discover the charm that's uniquely Venice. Number 3. Terracotta Army. China's ancient city of Xi'an, the Terracotta Army stands guard. Thousands of life-sized warriors, each unique, buried for centuries to accompany China's first emperor into the afterlife. Unearth the legends and artistry with me, as we explore this clay battalion, discovered accidentally in 1974. Delve into the excavation pits, marvel at the detail in every figure, understand the purpose behind this grand burial concept, and learn about the ongoing restoration work. This site isn't just about soldiers. It's about the philosophy, beliefs, and the imperial vision that defined a civilization. Number 2. British Museum, London, England. To London's British Museum, a treasure trove of human history. Housing over 8 million objects, its collections are wonders within a wonder. And finally, number 1. Acropolis, Athens, Greece. Our grand finale takes us to the birthplace of democracy, Athens, where the Acropolis stands as a symbol of classical civilization. A citadel of wisdom, art, and history, it's a place where myths come to life. Join me as we explore the Parthenon, dedicated to Athena, the goddess of wisdom and warfare, and delve into ancient Greek philosophy, drama, and politics. Walk the ancient paths, see the Odeon of Herodes Atticus, the theater of Dionysus, and soak in views that have inspired for millennia. Understand the blend of myth and reality, the golden age of Athens, the preservation efforts, and why this place resonates as the foundation of Western thought. A journey here isn't just about stones and ruins. It's a dialogue with the minds that shaped ideas and values. Are you ready to step into a world where gods and heroes walk the earth? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For exclusive travel deals, visit tripjive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.